Welcome to this video on logic calculations. You can download the exercise workbook to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. A logical calculation determines if a certain condition is true or false, also known as Boolean logic. Here, we want to know if our countries are performing well. Countries fall into markets, and some of our markets are considered emerging and some are not. We want our end user to be able to determine what the cutoff is to be considered a well-performing country, depending on which market the country falls into. We've created two parameters. We can right-click and edit to see how they're set up. We also have a calculated field, Performing Countries. Let's right-click and edit. It looks complicated, but all we're doing is checking two variations on a statement. We look to see which market the country falls into, and if the sales are above threshold. Two markets are considered emerging, so they're compared against the emerging threshold. Three markets are not considered emerging, so they're compared against their relevant threshold. And if none of these statements are true, the calculation returns underperforming. We can use this field on color to easily see which countries are considered well-performing based on the thresholds. As we change the parameters, we change the thresholds and alter the analysis. A conditional filter is a filter that keeps or excludes members based on a logical calculation. Let's say we only want to see a specific subset of countries. Particularly, we want to see those that have at least $200,000 in sales and have sold at least 1,100 distinct products. Mexico will fall into this category, as it has sold over $620,000 in sales and over 1,300 distinct products. India will not, because it does not meet the product cutoff. Sifting through this manually would be difficult, so let's create a filter based on a condition. We'll bring Country to the Filter shelf and click to the Condition tab, where we can enter our own formula. We simply want to check if the sum of sales is greater than 200,000 and if the count distinctive product ID is over 1,100. When we return to the view, we see only true values returned, countries that meet both of these thresholds. Thank you for watching this logic calculations video. We invite you to continue with the free training videos to learn more about using Tableau.